I'm buying things for my, what call that one, apartment bang tawag dyan. Basta nag-move in ako, guys. For a while, should I buy this one? No. Let's go. Imagine carrying that one. So, I didn't know na mahal pala ang mop. I thought like mga 200 lang. 740 pesos siya, guys. So, mahal. So, this was my home for like 1 year and 1 month. Yeah. Medyo magulo siya right now kasi I'm trying to pack my things. So, nakatira ako together with my tita here sa Cebu for a year. And I decided to... Actually, matagal ko nang gustong mag-move out. Pero like, hindi ako makakita or wala akong like courage to mag-isa ako or parang feel ko kasi magasto siya. But right now, na-assign ako kasi sa emergency room, merong madaming departments and na-assign ako sa isolation. So usually yung mga patients ko, merong TB, nung last, like mga ano siya, like mga contagious siya ng mga sakit. So I decided to move out na lang kasi nga, yun nga, hindi ko gusto na makaano pa ako ng sakit sa iba, ganyan. Especially si Seth, bata pa kasi si Seth, and hindi ko gusto na, siguro after na, kasi 3 months doon, siguro after noon, I don't know if babalik pa ako dito or doon, kasi mas malapit doon sa hospital, like 3 minutes away lang siya. So yeah, medyo magulo. So most of the things that I need here in my apartment, I bought it online because I don't have time to buy at the mall. So it's so funny because I don't know exactly the address, and then yung napin ko malayo pala. Tapos nalimutan ko pa yung key sa room ko and sa gate. So nasa labas na ako ng gate, naghihintay na merong papasok or lalabas. So, merong lumabas si ate. Tapos, bumili pa ako ng water. Na-close yung, na-close yung gate. So, naghintay na naman ako. So, anyway, unboxing tayo ngayon. So, I think this one is a curtain. Lupat ako sa yeah, it's a curtain. Curtain, I mean. Lobat ako, guys. I forgot my charger sa hospital. And then next. Oh yeah! I finally have my iron. Okay, I think I should stop recording. I need to save my battery. Okay, bye. Let's try this. Ito yung pinili ko so that madala ko rin siya sa mga travel ko. Okay, let's see. Ako. Oh my gosh! Narinig niyo yun, guys. Oh! Oh! Amazing! Yeah! Okay. Okay. Last time kasi meron akong binili dito before. But, parang hindi siyang gumagana. Okay, ito gumagana siya. So, I had a great time with Mom Jo. So, we had samgyeopsal. And then, I bought some stuff for my apartment. And, meron ding dumating na parcel. Kasi wala pa akong towel dito. So, I bought a pink towel, of course. Okay.
So imagine that you're plantar. Inhale first and slowly. 1. Palms facing tops ahead. 2 backward. Then inhale. Then reach slowly up. Then return down. And 5. Good job. Then reach up. 8 ang core, ikot ang tummy. Breathe. Mag-blow handle. Very good. Exhale and 2, up, and turn down, side and 2, up, without leaning. Then return down, sige lang, 1 more set.
Kausap mo. Tsaka gitabangan. Wala joy. Ito yung mga weakness ko talaga. My papa used to do this to me. But now I need to do this on my own. Like, ooh, ganito pala. Wait, I look so fat. Yeah. So that's the cabinet already. I can put some of my stuffs there.
2, 1, go! 50 seconds.
my hair short. Ito yung pinaka-short na hair na... Ito yung pinaka-short na length ng hair ko ever. I mean, siguro nung bata ako, I don't know. But yeah, I think I'll finish my vlog already since marami na akong nagawa. But nalimutan kong for a while. Madumi nga yung camera ko. So yeah, madami akong nagawa for today. So to sum up everything, I had like a 2 days off. Actually, ni-request ko yon because but ang pangit! Ni-request ko yon kasi I was planning to go home to Negros to attend the wedding of Kuya Arjun. But unfortunately, yung plane ticket na nabook ko dapat supposed to be sa May 1. Babalik na ako dito sa Cebu. So, dapat Bacolod to Cebu yun. But yung nabook ko is Bacolod to Cebu. So, ang mahal nun. And sabi ko, consequence ko to na hindi na lang ako uuwi kasi nga mali yung nabook ko. Tapos, ang mahal na if bibili pa ako. So, just to save money, so nagstay na lang ako dito. And for 2 days off, madami akong ginawa. Nag-pilates ako, and then I also did like, if makikita nyo sa recent video, makikita nyo rin na nag-spinning ako. And then today, nagkita kami ni Shane, my BFF here in Cebu. Matagal kami hindi nagkita kasi naging busy. Nag-review siya for her NCLEX, but she's now USRN. And then madami kaming chika. That's why we really didn't have a chance to like take pictures and record a video. Kasi madami kasi kaming pinag-usapan. Kasi mga last namin siguro nakita mga October or November. October, feel ko October or September. So, madami kami talagang pinag-usapan. So, yeah. Thank you for watching my vlog, guys. And I hope na mag-subscribe din kayo, ano ba? And keep on watching my videos. And, so short. Okay, bye. Good night.